Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most modern, stylish, and secure house gate designs that can completely transform the look of your home entrance. Your gate is the very first impression people give your house. And trust me, a beautiful gate sets the tone for elegance, security, and class. Now, think about this. How many times have you driven by a home and admired the entrance before even seeing the house itself? That's the power of a great gate design. It's more than just an entryway. It's a statement of who you are and what your home represents. When it comes to design, the options are endless. If you're someone who loves sleek and modern aesthetics, sliding gates with a matte black or brushed steel finish are trending right now. They not only look elegant but also save space, making them perfect for both large and small homes. On the other hand, if you're into something more classic and timeless, a swing gate made of wood or wrought iron can give your home a traditional yet luxurious feel. Another exciting trend in 2025 is the rise of mixed material gates. Homeowners are blending wood, steel, and even tempered glass to create gates that are not only durable but also eye-catching. Imagine a gate with a natural wooden frame combined with glossy metal accents, sophisticated, warm, and welcoming all at once. But here's the best part. Gates today are not just about looks. They're about technology and security. Automated gates with remote control systems are becoming the standard. Some even connect to smart apps on your phone, allowing you to open or close your gate no matter where you are. Add in a smart lock system or a fingerprint scanner, and you got both style and safety working hand in hand. Now, let's talk about affordability. You don't need to break the bank to achieve this luxury feel. There are so many budget-friendly accessories and upgrades that can elevate your entrance. Decorative panels, sleek handles, LED gate lights, and even durable paint finishes can transform a simple design into something truly stunning. Small changes make a big difference. If you want inspiration, picture this. You're hosting friends or family, and they pull up to your home. The very first thing they see is a gate that looks like it belongs to a high-end property. Instantly, your home feels more valuable, and you feel more confident knowing your investment is safe and stylish. That's what upgrading your gate can do for you. So here's what I recommend. If you're ready to take that step, check out the affiliate store link in the description below. I've curated some of the best products, from modern smart locks, gate automation kits, elegant decorative panels, to long-lasting finishes. These are the same kinds of items that homeowners and designers are using right now to create stunning entrances. And don't worry, it comes at no extra cost to you, but every purchase helps support this channel, so I can keep creating helpful videos like this one. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and share this video with someone who's thinking about giving their home a makeover. Remember, your dream entrance doesn't start with a mansion. It starts with one smart choice at your front gate.